What is good mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So for this video, this is just a trading update regarding my analysis from yesterday's Aussie dollar. So i-share ko lang sa inyo guys yung naging result ng day trading ko kahapon. And as you can see, if you can recall yung video ko kahapon regarding how a champion trader thinks, I just used basic market structure, price action, and TFPWR system para sa execution. So again, I utilize multi-time frame analysis and top-down analysis para sa trade na to. So I would just like to show na it doesn't have to be complicated when it comes to your system. Simplicity is always the best option pagdating sa decision making. So if ever you are using a lot of indicators, maybe you may want to review your strategy or system if it is not giving you the result that you want, or kung hindi pa rin kayo consistent. So again, prior sa result, i-share ko lang yung video recap from my yesterday's analysis from Aussie dollar, and after that, I will share yung result and how I executed sa market. Alright? So again, gusto kong ulit pasalamatan yung aking mga TFP-BIB champion students all over the globe, followers, subscribers, new followers, everyone, haters, lahat kayo. So thank you so much. And yeah, let's get straight dun sa ating charts. Okay. So alam natin that the market came from a series of what? High, new low, lower high, then same level. It's around this level, so double bottom, and then lower high again, same level, and then what does the market do currently? It goes up. So makikita nyo, it's almost at the same level ng dating lower high, but interestingly is hindi siya nag-form ng bagong lower high, which is dapat kung bearish tong market na yan, okay, diba, dapat ganyan siya. Unfortunately, ang ginawa ng market is ganito. Yung series na yan, nagkaroon double bottom, and then we stop tayo dito. Which means, anong pwede nating opportunity dyan? Okay? That's the time na pupunta tayo sa mas mababang time frame to analyze ano ba nangyayari. And market structure wise, you have to do the same process na ginagawa mo sa higher time frame, kasi that is where we look for opportunity. Okay? Hindi dahil may break ka nito, ganyan, and gumamit ka ng moving averages, indicators, RSI, Bollinger Bands, etc. So, I'm showing you guys that you can look for opportunity using just price action and market structure. Okay? Na walang ibang basis. Tandaan nyo, the mother of all movement, pagdating sa charts, ay candlesticks. Okay? Kaya you have to analyze solely ano ba yung interpretation nyo pagdating sa sinasabi ng market. Pagdating sa pattern, structure, ano bang gustong sabihin ng market dyan. Okay? So, punta tayo sa right side, which is my lower time frame. Okay? So, ano mapapansin nyo? Right now, the market is in my level from the left structure, which is yung dating lower high. Okay? So, focus tayo dito sa area to. Okay? So, anong mapapansin nyo? Pagdating sa market structure, market coming from the bottom or low, nagkaroon ng high and then higher low. So, anong ine-expect natin? Either, dalawang way yan. Okay, the market will continue kasi hindi pa natin masabing ito ay ito na yung yung kanyang higher high. No. The market can extend, okay? Can extend up to this level, which is yung second peak. Okay? Or otherwise, the market can what? Do another lower or higher low. Okay? Dalawang ways yan. Ibig sabihin, you have to anticipate ano yung mga possible move ng market, kasi currently, yung market is nasa kalagitnaan. Okay? Hindi natin alam if the market will continue pataas or ang market magkaroon ng another higher low before it continue to goes up. So, ano yung pwede nating opportunity? Right now, this is not a trade opportunity whether a buy or sell. Okay, tandaan nyo. Why? You are in between. It is not a high probability area for you to execute a trade. Rather, what you can do is, if you're going to expect a higher low, okay, meaning another level, kailangan mong markahan ano yung mga areas na pwede ka mag-buy. Okay? And on the other hand, if you're expecting for a short, better mag-short ka dito sa next level. Kasi, tandaan nyo, next level is actually yung area of another resistance. Okay? So, ang tanong naman dyan, di ba resistance level din naman tong current na ginagalawa ng price? Yes, but tandaan nyo, kung magsasell ka dyan, nasa ang next level mo, which is ito. Okay? Is it worth it na i-trade pa tong kalit-lit na yan? Okay? On an hourly time frame, I don't think it's wise. Otherwise, if mag-scalp lang kayo 1 or 2 candles, it's okay. But for me, this is not a good risk to reward ratio pagdating sa market. Okay? So again, if I'm going to sell, I'm going to sell at this level kasi we want to sell at a much higher price and we want to buy at a much lower price. Okay? So ngayon, mamarkahan ko saan ako pwedeng makakita ng bounce pagdating sa buying opportunity. Okay? So just delete this and click ko lang yan. Okay? So now I will mark my level of support pagdating sa structure na to in anticipation of a lower high, another lower high. Okay? So dalawang possibility yan. Okay? Use this as level. Okay? And kung makita nyo, meron tayong dating resistance na nabasag as support. And dating resistance na basag, not in future will become a future support level. Okay? How about this area? Okay? It's still a possibility, but again, I'm doing this for you to have an area of buying opportunity, which means if I'm going to have these areas, okay, you have a buying opportunity for one and also this level. Okay? It's like the extreme. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, if you're going to buy at this zone. Okay? And then, ititipi mo siya next dito. Okay? So, I hope you get the point. Bakit yan yung ginagawa kong buy zone sa level ko of as sa price action natin. Tandaan nyo, you want to anticipate a lower high. Okay? Dalawa lang ang possibility niyan. Either magkaroon siya ng double bottom or magkaroon siya ng structure breaking this lower high for another level or market structure. But tandaan nyo, nagre-react lang yan. The reason lang na mas mababa siya sa dating lower high is merong structure dito. Okay, that doesn't mean na magiging bearish na siya or what. It's just that itong level na to is significant din sa market. Kaya we take into consideration yung area na yun. Okay? So, again, my buying area is around this zone. These are my buy zones. Okay? And then, ito yung extreme. So, syempre, pag bumaba yung market dyan, doesn't mean na magbabay ka na agad. Of course, you have to look for candlestick formation. Dyan magmamatter yung knowledge nyo sa candlestick patterns. Alright guys, so I believe you have watched and recalling ating video recap from yesterday's technical analysis pertaining to this Aussie dollar pair. So again, ngayon i-explain ko sa inyo how I managed to have the execution based on my technical analysis using just market structure, price action, and just a simple TFP warrior system when it comes to the execution. So again, sabi nga natin, the market went from this low and then higher low, and then yesterday yung price ay nandito, which means, okay, if I'm going to have a decision making pagdating dyan sa trade na yan, I would consider possible scenarios like nasan ako ngayon. The current market yesterday was nasa resistance. Okay? However, tandaan nyo, I have just broken yung yung dati kong high. So, ibig sabihin, I am expecting the market magkaroon ng another higher high and higher low. Okay? However, yung market during this time or during that time was nasa resistance. Okay? If I would decide for a sell, ang range lang na pwede kong takbuhin is actually from this area at saka dito, which means napakaliit when it comes to the risk to reward ratio. Okay, so it is not worth a trade. Plus, I am not sure na ang market magsasettle lang siya dito and then correct. Tandaan nyo, hindi pa tapos yung market yesterday or from that time na ina-analyze ko yun. Ibig sabihin niya, anything can happen. It might consolidate. Okay, so I considered factors like, for example, what if magtuloy-tuloy ito pataas going to this resistance, which means that is my new high. So from that point of view, pag nagpunta yan ng tuloy-tuloy pataas, I will take a sell trade, right? So that would make sense. However, sabi nga natin by structure, pag nagkaroon niya ng higher high, definitely it will have a correction, exhaustion, or retracement na magkaroon ng higher low. So that's the time I would look for a buy opportunity. But take into consideration that the market can also have a higher high in between, okay, and then have a correction saan? Dito sa levels na minarkahan natin since ito ay significant, okay, and also from this range. So kaya ganyan kalaki yung range ng buy area ko. And I also took into consideration yung key level na to dahil marami tayong reactions na dati siyang lower high na binasag nitong move na to. Okay, so we might still need to consider itong area kaya naglagay ako dito ng level as a deeper correction pag sakaling ang market nagkaroon ng deeper correction. Okay, so tandaan nyo, walang perfect na forecasting. All you have to do is gather all the information na magbibigay sa inyo ng high probability trade opportunity. Okay, lalo na ito sa ang area. So again, I mark my key level or high probability buying areas sa level na yan. So, anong ginawa ng price? Since my decision was to become a buyer, okay, hindi ibig sabihin niya na I would buy straight up having this FOMO mentality na naiiwan ako ng market and straight up buy at this level. So, I need to wait for a correction. Sabi ko nga, pag nagkaroon niya ng another higher low, which is ito nga, kasi low, high, higher low, higher high. So, yung higher low na yun, hindi ko alam saan. But, I don't want to say I am sure. I want to say na mayroong possibility and probability na papatak yan sa area na to, which I marked yesterday. Okay? So, ano nangyari? I waited, marked this at my watch list. Again, this strategy is for beginners. Tandaan nyo, if you want more experience or technical advanced level, you have to check my VIP membership para mas makita nyo saan talaga exactly possible pumunta yung price and you will have more deeper knowledge pagdating sa market. Okay, but this trade is just simply using market structure and price action. Okay, and also yung TFP water system approach natin. Okay, so again, the market pumatak saan? Dun sa expected area ko. Okay, dito sa buy level na yan. So, punta tayo sa right side to my execution time frame, which is yung 15 minutes. Okay, punta tayo dito. Okay, let me just delete itong mga mess. Alright. Okay. Adjust ko lang ito. Alright. So, kung titignan natin, the market, as expected, not 100% but based on probability and based on my technical analysis, that saan nagpunta yung market? Market, pumunta nga dito sa aking buy zone or area. Okay? So, again, dyan na pupunta yung decision making of how will I execute yung buy. Okay? So, ngayon, anong gagawin ko? I have now to satisfy my execution entry rules. Okay? So, saan yun? Saan ang galing? Sa aking TFP Warrior system para sa mga beginners level. Okay? So, I just use beginner level at this point. So, I have this channel, counter trend line resistance. So, ibig sabihin yan, kapag may counter trend resistance ka pa at hindi pa yung nababasag, which means intact pa yung mga sellers, which means there are still momentum pagdating sa selling opportunity. or you don't have any reason para bumili pa. So, anong kailangan gawin? Kailangan mabasag yan, and you have to look for a support kung saan dun possible mag-bounce yung market. So, based sa rules ng TFP Warrior, pag execution, kailangan you are above ng support at you are above ng counter trend line break. So, ibig sabihin, ang gusto kong mangyari is yan. Or simply, para mas malinaw, expectation ko during that time is, diba, possible mag-consolidate bago yan tumaas. So, yan yung naging expectation ko. So, ano nangyari? Of course, I have to wait for the break nitong counter trend line. Simply. So, of course, you have to monitor closely yung market. So, saan nangyari yung break? So, tandaan nyo, break is actually a closed body. So, which means, ito yung break candle ko. Yan. That served as my break candle confirmation. Ibig sabihin yan, nabasa mo na yung momentum ng counter trend line resistance. So, ang tanong, I have to look for support. Nasaan yung support level? Reaction, reaction, reaction. So, ito yung support level ko. Okay. So, nagpunta yung price. Market, consolidated. So, I have to look for candlestick na mag-convince sa akin na buying momentum na siya talaga. Sorry. Mura. Okay. So, dyan papasok yung skill nyo pagdating sa recognition ng candlestick. So, saan ko nakita yun? This time, nagkaroon ng pin bar. But I'm not still convinced. Tandaan nyo, hindi porket may pin bar or may buying pressure, execute agad. No. I have to look for more candlestick patterns na magbibigay sa akin ng idea na, okay, these are buying momentum na talaga. So, ano nangyari after few candles? Okay, nagkaroon naman ng bearish engulfing, which means hindi pa siya buying momentum. Kasi bearish engulfing is simply momentum ng sellers. So, ano nangyari? I've waited. Of course, dyan papasok yung patience ng discipline. So, nagkaroon ng bullish engulfing, which means magkaka-coincide yan or magkakaroon ng confluence dito sa pin bar. So, saan ako nakapag-enter? Right after that bullish engulfing, which is itong candle na to. Yan. Diyan na-execute yung trade. Diyan ako nag-execute. Okay? Of course, going for the take profit, simple lang. Balik ka sa higher time frame mo. Tayo dito sa left chart. Tandaan nyo, meron tayong peak dito, which is possible mag-react yung price. Okay, so kaya minarkahan ko yan as per yesterday's analysis. I just took a shy away pips from that line para sa aking take profit. So that provided me a 1:4 risk to reward ratio. And my stop loss, since meron tayong support dito as well, so I don't want to take stop loss dyan, but at least I'll just for you to have a more room for the market, breathing room para sa market. If either mag-consolidate, bumaba pa yan. So I just use this level, a shy pips, few shy pips dito below nyan, yun yung aking stop loss. So again, and the market went up, hitting my take profit. So it might look simple, no, para sa lahat, but again, it just shows na it is possible to be consistent, profitable using just simple analogy logic when it comes to technical analysis. It doesn't have for you to put a lot of indicators kung ano-ano man yan. But then again, make it simple. Pag naiintindihan mo, means you know what you're doing at the same time, it will make sense kapag nag-materialize yung trade. Okay? Ang problema, nag-materialize yung trade at hindi mo naintindihan pinagagawa, which means you're not learning and you don't know what you're doing. Okay, maraming ganyan na flex ng profits ala chamba, pero yung mga losses nila, hindi nyo naman makita. Okay? Hindi nila sinishare. Pero in reality, profit loss, mas malaki pa yung losses nila. So again, this channel is not all about profit flexing, but rather giving you knowledge and education how to execute properly sa market with proper discipline, patience, and thinking like a champion trader. So, I hope this trade makes sense para sa inyo. And para sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, go check out my Learn from Scratch series way back 2 years ago. Okay? But if you are intermediate or even of a beginner, if you want to be know the level from beginner, intermediate to advanced, go check out my mentorship course, the FEBIT Champion Mentorship. And yeah, I hope I would help you as well. So, and yeah, that would be it for today. So, thank you so much. And yeah, I hope nakatulong ulit sa inyo to paano ako mag-isip and paano ako nakapag-execute for this trade. So, yun lang. So, I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs. And some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Right?